Hello, and welcome to another mental health tip of the week. My name is Lily Smith. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and the owner of The Traveling Therapist. Today I'm going to talk about what if you are feeling like your partner is not as involved in the parenting role as you wish they were. A quick tip is, first, talking to them about it. You may find that the reason why they're not as involved is because they may be feeling insecure about taking on such a big responsibility. One of the things that they might be thinking is, maybe because I can't do as well as my partner does, I should probably let the better parent handle most of the parent responsibility. So their own insecurities can sometimes get them to turn themselves into kind of like a third wheel. And so they'll withdraw and not participate as much because they see themselves as not as capable as you are. A good way to address that is you want to give your partner a lot of positive reinforcement whenever you see them trying to engage and have activities that involved parenting. Whether that's giving the baby a bath, whether that's feeding, whether that's putting them to bed, whether that's changing their clothes, or even playing, taking them out. Everyday activities. You want to provide positive reinforcement around those. And then, as much as possible, try to encourage and create positive opportunities or situations where your partner has a chance to actually do a good job and actually gets to shine as a parent. In an example where we're talking about men and women being partners, oftentimes society reinforces over and over again how little fathers have responsibility over any decision that has to do with their child, whether that's custody decisions, whether that is the decision to keep the child or not keep the child, whether that is scheduling appointments. Really, even when a mother miscarries a child, the father is often made to feel, or is expected to feel, kind of almost calm, cool, and collected about it, while the mother is going through the emotional trauma of it. So in situations where there's like mother-father, male-female relationship, we have done kind of a poor job at encouraging fathers to feel like they even have a place in the parenting role. So it's really, really good. It's just a great idea if you want your partner to feel engaged, to feel close and attached and connected to the baby. It's a great idea to create those types of scenarios and situations where he can be a dad and he can be a good dad. Not just the fun times, not just weekends, but no, like situations where he truly has to do parenting things, and then reinforce how good of a job they did. Even if they tried and it wasn't the way that you would have liked for it to happen, but at least they tried, they did their best, and if it was a positive outcome, that's all that matters. So that is our mental health tip of the week. Hopefully it helps, and as always, feel free to leave comments, subscribe, follow us on social media for any future updates, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.